So once we've created our presentations and we've assigned them to the screen, what you may also want to do is to create a loop or a schedule. A loop is a series of presentations that will play one after the other. A schedule is putting them in a calendar and making sure they play out on particular times. So we'll start with the loop. So the loop is this one. Click on it. We press the add button to add another loop. So we'll start a new one, give it a name, press save, and then you add your presentations by dragging them here. So I've only got 2 presentations in the account, so I'll drag one, drop one, drag one, drop one. You can, if you want to, have the same presentation multiple times, although I'm just going to have that rotating between the 2. You will see our standard when they come out, they're on for a minute. So we'll click on the little clock, and that will allow us to change how long they're on for. So if I wanted one on for 10 seconds and one on for 30 seconds, I could change using those drop downs like that. Bear in mind, if the loop isn't playing correctly, it is likely the time zone is different to the time zone on your screen or your device, so make sure that's correct as well. So I've now got 30 seconds and then 10 seconds. To assign that to a display, go on my Screens tab, click on my screen. This time I don't want to choose a presentation. What I'm going to do is choose the loop icon instead, drag, drop, and then what will happen is you'll see the little loop icon there, and then eventually we will see the display rotating between 2 different screens. Whilst we're waiting for that to happen, we can start creating our schedule. So as mentioned, what we can do is we can create a schedule so that things play out on particular times. So if I click the schedule option here, press the add button, give it a name. I would always choose a default presentation. There you go, the screen has just changed as it's on our loop. I would always choose a default presentation so that if you haven't assigned something to a particular time, say for example you've left between 6 and 9 AM completely blank, it will play the default. So I'm going to play that one as the default, and I'm going to press save. Now all I can do is go on my calendar, click on my calendar, click on the day, and then I just choose from either a presentation or a presentation loop that we've created earlier. So I'll use that loop that we created between 4 and 5, and then I will say this is going on for the next month till, so it's 2 months, let's say 30th of March, but I want this recurring every day. So that's now recurring every day. Bear in mind, priority level, keep it at normal or low, because then if there is ever a particular day where you want something to play over the top, you can choose high priority and it will play that. So once I'm done, I press save, and that's it scheduled in. Now if I wanted one to play from 5 till 6, I would click again, and then I would choose 5 till 6. Again, same times, recurring every day, but this time I'm just going to choose a presentation, which would be that one, and then press save. And again, that's now scheduled in. Now bear in mind, you would rinse and do that until the whole day is complete. So what I'm going to do is go to Screens, click on Screen, don't want to choose a presentation, I don't want to choose a loop, I want to ensure that I've chosen my schedule, drag it on, that's now scheduled in. I can see that because the little schedule icon's there. Because I chose this as the default presentation, that's what's playing on screen until tomorrow at 5 o'clock, where it will change.